This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER classic tale Holly Hobbie. Love and friendship. We're all just a little bit lonely, so here's a good thing to do. Give a friend smile to each face you meet, and a friend will smile back at you. Start with real A. Picture 1. My garden's full of thoughts of love and joy that never ends. And when the thoughts burst out in bloom, I take them to my friends. Picture 2. Pony, I hope that you don't mind 2 instead of 1. You'll go around as you always do, but we'll have twice the fun. Picture 3. My puppy has a headache, he can feel very jolly. Oh, wouldn't it be awful if he didn't have a holly? Picture 4. The turkey is a noble bird, especially in a dish. But best of all, he has a bone that friends can pull and wish. Picture 5. Mr. Snowman, you're our friend. We wish that you could stay, but you leave happy memories before you melt away. Picture 6. It's funny how a needle and thread that's colored blue can sew a button back in place and mend a friendship too. Picture 7. Our mother is an expert at baking in the oven, at telling stories, healing hurts, but most of all at loving. Holly Hobbie's Saturdays. Each day in the week is a special day. I greet each morning with glee, but when Saturdays come and school is out, there's even more time to be me. Change to real B. Picture 1. Saturday's a welcome day, full of pleasant hours. I share my garden happiness by bringing mother flowers. Picture 2. We all can teach, we all can learn by sharing what we know, and everybody gets a turn to cook or skate or sew. Picture 3. The good things you anticipate, like an important letter, are surely worth the time you wait. They make the day go better. Picture 4. Taking turns with anyone at either work or play is half the work and double the fun, a bargain any day. Picture 5. While days are warm and skies are blue and gentle winds are blowing, spend lots of time just being you, you'll find yourself worth knowing. Picture 6. Home, sweet home, is sweeter still, when red leaves flutter down, when days take on an autumn chill, and fields are dressed in brown. Picture 7. Doing cozy things together, when the fire's aglow, makes it good for sharing weather. Welcome, Mr. Snow. Holidays and seasons. I'm glad the earth keeps turning around, and the seasons shift and change. If every holiday came in the spring, wouldn't the world be strange? Change to real C. Picture 1. Mother let us stay up once to watch the new year in. I thought that even the big clock face wore a welcoming grin. Picture 2. I put my heart upon a card, all trimmed in red and blue, and wrote I love you on the card, then gave my heart to you. Picture 3. Easter is an open door to spring's refreshing air, to hills of green and skies of blue, and new life everywhere. Picture 4. July the 4th, when freedom rings and choice served à la carte. Parrots and bands are playing, set off fireworks in my heart. Picture 5. My jack-o'-lantern's winking into the spooky night. I think he knows a secret, but won't tell because of fright. Picture 6. I'm thankful for so many things, for love and friendship true, but most of all because I'm me. Say, aren't you glad you're you? Picture 7. Come, little tree, and let me trim you. Don't stand there so bare. When I'm through, you'll find you're wearing Christmas in your hair. Every day is special, every friend is special. Don't waste your time complaining. The world's such a wonderful place. Take time to enjoy every moment and appreciate every face. Love, Holly, Hobbie.